Hello friends, welcome back to the Vegan Lifestyle blog. Today we conclude our series, The Doctors Are In, with an essential conversation that ties everything together. Over the past episodes, we've explored the foundational principles of the NEWSTART acronym: nutrition, exercise, water, sunlight, temperance, pure air, and rest. These pillars offer a blueprint for holistic health, ensuring that we nourish our bodies, strengthen our minds, and refresh our spirits. But there is one final indispensable doctor in this journey, the one that makes all the others meaningful: trust in God's divine providence. Healing is not just a physical process. It is deeply spiritual. True wellness is not just found in what we eat, how we move, or even how well we rest. It is rooted in faith. Faith is the catalyst that enables all other forms of healing to take hold. Without it, the best nutrition plan, exercise routine, or sunlight exposure can only go so far. 3 John 1:2, KJV, reminds us, "Beloved, I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper and be in health, even as thy soul prospereth." The healing of the body goes hand in hand with the prosperity of the soul. Holistic living is predicated on trusting in God and His expressed will for our lives, to guide us towards better health, to keep us from sickness, and to help us stay well. A powerful biblical example of this truth is the woman with the issue of blood. For 12 long years, she suffered, seeking every form of medical help available. But what made the difference? Not just touching Jesus' garment, but her belief that she would be made whole. It was her faith that freed her from her affliction. Luke 8:43-48. Without faith, even the best doctors in the world would have been powerless. Without this doctor, faith in God's healing, none of the others could fulfill their purpose. And God makes it clear, if we truly seek to be whole, we must obey His will. Exodus 15:26, KJV, tells us, "If thou wilt diligently hearken to the voice of the Lord thy God, and wilt do that which is right in His sight, and wilt give ear to His commandments, and keep all His statutes, I will put none of these diseases upon thee, which I have brought upon the Egyptians. For I am the Lord that healeth thee." God is the source of healing. Trusting Him, following His principles, and applying faith in every aspect of our lives ensures that we don't just survive, we thrive. As we close this series, I encourage you to reflect on all the doctors we've covered: nutrition, exercise, water, sunlight, temperance, pure air, and rest. But above all, remember that without this doctor, trust in God's divine providence. The rest fall short. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this series, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Our Meatless May 2025 series, packed with exciting content to help you transition to plant-based living with ease. And as always, until next time, your health, your choice.